Welcome. I am showing you the Bundle Up kit from Happie Scrappie, and this kit is in the B6 rings, and it's actually from November 2018, and I saw so many awesome people on Instagram that I saw this and I was completely like addicted. So first thing you need to notice is Happie Scrappie. They send their stuff in all of these beautiful envelopes. Look at that holographic paper. I've already taken this stuff out of the envelope, but there is one thing left in here, or two things actually, is this gold pen, and I hope you can see the brand, but there's the brand of the pen, and I'm sorry, I'm trying a new lighting. There it is. And I love yellow gold, you guys, but obviously the pen's not in yellow gold. It is in a black, really fine tip pen. So hope you can see that. If not, whatever, it's a pen. And with this kit, it was already sold out, so I guess it was extra kits that were left on the website, so I was very lucky to purchase the B6. The only thing is that FedEx had to ship it out, and then to get it, to receive it for me was such a problem because I'm not home, I'm at work. Anyways, whatever, first world problems. So there's the kit, here's the pen. Here you get a very cute little patch. And is it adhesive? Yep, it's a sticker, you guys, so you can put it on your planner. Great material, I love it, and I love a bear. I love bears so much. I'm gonna actually put him in here so he doesn't get lost somehow. I feel like in my life I'd lose him. Okay, so again, this is a B6, and this is a B6 rings. Now, I don't have a B6 rings, girl. No, I don't. But I was like, whatever. I love this. So what you get paper, you get scrapbook paper, and again, it's that collab with Annie Plans and Happie Scrappie. And this one came unpunched, which is perfect because, like I said, I don't have a B6, so I'm going to size them down for either my mini Happie Planner or my personal wide, and then I'm gonna punch them. So you first get scrapbook paper, really nice cardstock. And I just, like, okay, it gets even better, you guys. So you get some grid paper, some dotted grid. I love it. It's so warm and cozy. Right now it's January that I'm filming this, and it's freezing in Toronto. So, I don't know, this kit warms my heart and makes me feel like, you know, it's Christmas still. It's winter. So you get some really nice lists. You get a little coffee mug with some whipped cream. You can do a list. You can do day of the week, like Monday, 4-day week at a glance, or make a to-do list, I guess. The graphics are so cute. They interchange. And that's that. So you get a lot of paper. I mean, that's a pretty good stack of paper that, I mean, if you change out your kits or you use a kit for a certain month, so that's pretty cool. Next, what we have is some more cardstock, but it comes with some vellum, so really cute treats. So let's look at the first one. You get some vellum. How glamorous is that? Look at that hollow paper. And just the quality, the graphics. I love the little UGG looking boots, the winter boots. It says Bundle Up. The mittens, hot cocoa, and fuzzy socks. I love that, you guys. So cute. Then you get some like Christmas houses and snowflakes. Wonderful. So absolutely wonderful. Now here we go with the cardstock. So the cardstock has these cute little bunnies, and they're all bundled up. And then on this side, we have cardstock with the hollow homes and condos, apartments. Really, really cute. So I'm gonna do that. Another one. Look at that. I don't know how I'm now discovering this Happie Scrappie life. Honestly, you guys, I have no idea. Where have I been? What rock have I been under? And then you get another one, you get another one. Okay. This is what really sold me when Court Likes to Plan showed it on her Instagram stories, just the holographic paper. So you get this hollow washi. Okay, I'm getting chills. Like, look at these pixelated hearts. Look at the bows. Look at the snowflakes. Like, I'm obsessed. I'm so freaking obsessed. I love it, you guys. How amazing. How amazing. All right, then what you get days of the week. So that's really neat. Okay, so there's that. And then you got a little pack of stickers. And so I am just going to take these out and we're going to go one by one, okay? So first you get this little bear and his little scarf, just like this little patch. And they're little tabs, so you fold them and then you can put them in your planner. Very cute. Then you get some box covers and box stickers. Love. So I have no idea the price, you guys. I was just like, I love this. I want this. It's more affordable than the Planner Society, I can tell you that. Some more box stickers. I would check it out. I will link the website at the bottom so you guys can check it out. Some little tabs and to-do lists. Excuse my nails. I'm really sorry. I've just been so lazy. And look at these cute little bow tabs. Oh my gosh. How cute. And they're so holographic. So cute. I'm a sucker for holographic stuff. Like, it just reminds me of Gem and the Holograms. I just love everything. And then you got some monthly number cover-ups, or you can do a countdown. Oh my gosh, like, I just can't. This is what really sold me when Court Likes to Plan was showing it on her Instagram stories. Just look at that. I don't even want to take them out of the packaging. Like, I just want to hoard this forever. And then some bows, which are really nice, really chunky die cut bows. And last but not least, some clear holographic stickers, and they're like box stickers. Their size is pretty generous, so really, really nice. I love the pixelated heart, and it says nourish your soul. So everyone, this is what you get when you get the Happie Scrappie kit. I hope everyone enjoyed watching my video. I hope you like my video. I hope you leave a nice comment, and I'm just sharing things that I like. So, and just remember, nothing is sent for free. Nothing in life is for free, you guys. So I am a planner girl just like you, and I am just sharing my hobby and what I love. So check out Happie Scrappie, and tell me, share your Instagram username, and let me see what you did with the kit. All right, thanks for watching. Bye, you guys.